Welcome back to Crazy Bill's Garage. What has Crazy Bill got himself into today? Well, let me tell you. I got an outside broken door handle. Look at that. Wow, there's no door handle there. There's no door handle there at all. Oh, right, I took it off. So, there's the door handle. She's pretty broke. And my brand spanking new door handle right from Rock Auto. It cost me, what did that cost me? $16.85. That ain't bad. I'm going to see if I can do this one handed. Oh, I got to take all this apart again. That's something I don't want to do. Sorry. Bad cameraman, by the way. We all know it. So, let me get this unhooked here again. Come on. Oh, he is such a pain. There we go. It just falls out. And I'm going to get this door. Just going to let her hang. Well, hang or fall. Either one. Yeah, it's the inside door panel of a, what do you call this thing? It's a tracker. Man, I should put a light on here. Well, there we go. We got a light on now. Now we can see what we're doing. And all of that in there. There's the lever. That's the lever here. I got to hook the outside. Yes. I want to get some lube on all of that while I got her apart, so I'm just going to go grab some. Well, there we go. I got some oil on there. You can see where she's a little bit shinier there now. Got some oil on the back one there. Ooh, that's moving nice now. Oh, that is way better movement. All right. Well, the hard stuff. Gotta get that door handle on the outside. Ooh, that is the hard stuff. I don't have a stand for this thing today. We'll see what I can do. Well, so far, the easy part has actually been putting that little doodad there. I'll think of the name and put it out on actuator. That's the name. So I don't have to think of the name now. Now I'm just going to get this in here. Well, this is going to take two hands again. Boy, oh boy. It's horrible when these guys do this with one hand. I don't know how they do it. So, what I did to hold these little Allen key bolts on here, I thought it'd be easier by getting Allen key. I have one bolt there. But what I did is I put a little bit of goop of, that'll work. A little bit of goop of grease on the end of these to hold them on so I could thread them in. And that seems to be going pretty good. And I'm about ready to put the last one in. Sorry, didn't get you to see the first one, but you'll see the end product. So if you don't have anything else, like if you drop your Allen key bolt and you have no clue where it went inside the door and you can't find it, you've been searching with it for a magnet. Use this technique. Now, I stuffed a bunch of, and if only you have a long socket like I do, a 10 mil, put a little tape on here, on the bolt. Stuff this full of paper or something. You can always pull it out. Put that on here. There you go. She fits nice and snug. Now, we should be able to get that in there. We'll see about that. And there we go. Not that you could hear me very well. I didn't have my speaker on at all. But you can see, I don't know if you can see in there, but I got that little bolt on. I got that Allen key on. She's all good. She works. I just got to get this inside panel on here. Yeah. And look at there. We got her all back together. Let's make sure we unlock it since we're going to try it out. Oh, that works better than ever. That is so nice. It's unbelievable. Wow. Yeah, you can tell I'm super excited. This did not go as well as you might have thought. I lost a bolt. A few other things happened while I was putting it in. A couple of things. And actually, when I put the panel back on and smacked it, I heard the bolt that the Allen key fall down. So I took the panel back off and looked for that Allen key. I couldn't find it in there. So, of course, I put her all back together. And yeah, well, at least it works nice. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.